Hi there! It's a wonderful Sunday afternoon and we have a lovely week with sun and really good weather, but I know what you want. You want to know how to clean your grills. So today I'm gonna clean my Genesis, I'm gonna clean one Master Touch, and I'm gonna clean the electric. So hang on and I show you piece by piece how to do it. I have been working with grilling for over 30 years. During that time, I have thousands of people learn how to make them be a better griller. Not by making it complicated, but showing how simple techniques can give you amazing results. On our channel, I guide you through everything you need to know about grilling to do it on the next level. Whether you're gonna use a charcoal, gas or electric, I'm gonna teach you how. So whether you just starting out or have been grilling for years, I'm here to share the practical tips, the recipe, tricks, and to help you to make the grilling to your next level and maybe be the best in your neighborhood. So hit that subscribe button, fire up the grill, and let's get started. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new level of grilling. This is okay, back in Jan's place where we're gonna clean his PULS 2000 today. PULS 2000, PULS 1000 is nearly the same. How to clean. So we start to disassemble the grill. I already cleaned this panel, so we take it out like this. As you see, you also need to clean this here, but we do it after. So now we use the stainless steel to clean here and clean here. This stainless steel spray also protect the grill now when it starts to get autumn and winter. So that's quite good to have like that. And now we take this and spray that too. So now we just clean this so that also looks nice. When you clean down here now at the electric, don't use that you have used on the grid. Like this is not good. Use a special one for the electric. So now we take off the grid first, like this. Here you have, and then you have to take out this and clean also. But yeah, There you have a little screw here, like this. So now you can take out the electric like this and clean it. And one thing more, you can take out the whole button on the grill. So that we're gonna clean up here. Okay. Now we start to clean this here. It gets quite dirty. The old aluminium we throw away. This is quite important to do. Oh. It's very important to get this clean because the heat go down on this and go up again, so it not take so much electricity. If this is dark and not good, then you don't get that heat that you want to have. So the more you clean this, as better it is.
Can man also use window to clean up?
No, this is better. There is no soap in this, so that's much better.
Okay.
And it really take it all like this when you do this. As you see, it nearly take it all. Okay, you should not do it on the stainless, as you understand, but here it's okay. So now we turn it and continue on this side like this. Don't forget to clean behind also, otherwise that's going down to the grill later. It's not so important, but you don't need to have this dirt inside here. To clean outside of the grill, I use this type napkin for babies, but it's okay to clean like this, and it protects a little also. So it will be nice like this. The trolley I will clean later on when I take out the grill. It feels nice when it clean everything. Same here. And now we clean with the stainless. I used to take paper like that when I should clean the electric. Remember, never use that you used on the grate, because it's not good. Use a special one for the electric, same as you do with the gas. Now we have cleaned the electric, so now we go to the grate to fix that. And here, of course, you can use this. First, take off. But remember one thing, never ever use soap, because it go into the, so we do like this first, and then we only take hot water. So now we have take most of it off. So now I take the, let's see if we can get most of it. So when we turn it now, we scratch it off like this. You see? It's a lot of dirt here. So just use a plastic something to scratch it off like this. And then take the brush. So now we should take hot water to clean them. Now it's time to use water on this. And I use this again, this one. So turn, and then we continue. If you have done a whole season without cleaning under, then it's quite hard to get it off. But like this is okay. So, and now we take paper over there. Thank you. So we can spray a little here. Then we turn it again. So, and then we spray it with cast iron protecting like this. You should not do anything more than just spray it like this, and then it protects for next season. So now the grate is clean. We should take this out. Do not get that in the whole house. So we just put it here like that. So in here you don't have to clean, but we have cleaned this and put a new aluminum in. So and we put the bottom into the grill again. Like that, so. And this is nice and clean again. So we put it in place. And put the screw in. Don't forget to clean this also when you're in, so the electric really work, and clean here all the way so it's nice and clean. Oh, perfect. So now we put it in place like this. So perfect. And this will not take off, because this is the proof that the grill works as it is. So when the meat juice hit this, it go back up in the lid and go down on the meat. And then we put the grate on, and they are already nice and free because I put that protection on, so it's so nice, so perfect. So this was the step to clean the electric PULS 2000. That is it. Your Weber is clean and ready for storage. Take care of it now, and take care of you for the next barbecue season. Don't forget to subscribe down here for more tips and recipe. See you at the grill, and see you next Sunday, 2 o'clock again.